Hi, this is Shweta from Iris World School. Now I'm going to explain about this online virtual exam we are going to conduct. What we are conducting there. So here we are using the Papershala as one of the app for the exams or the assessment through online classes. So coming for the our school, as you are seeing here, Iris World School. Now I'm just going to tell about how we are having or we are following up this paper shala. So you are having, this is the dashboard of our school, and you can see so many things here, like you have profile, notification, categories, group, sub admins, users, paper, questions, all you have. If you have any doubts, you can go through this how to start. There is a easy guide where each one video is uploaded for each category or each thing, where you can easily find out. So coming for the profile, this profile is created by the school administrations. Then the students, you will be sending out this direct link for the students so that they can register themselves to the paper shala. So this is how the students can register here. Now coming for the categories, we are maintaining this own categories, all the subjects, as it is an ICSE school. We are having all the uh, we are having all the subjects here. So all the 11 subjects, you can see default main categories or the default subject group, your category group you can see in Papershala itself, and remaining all the subjects here: bio, history, English, maths, physics, chemistry, geography, like this. Then you have the main category. So here when you are giving the question paper, you have to choose the main category. So you can select the main category. Then in main category again, you can give the category name. So already I gave so many category names based on the test. You can give it. Then click here to add. Then here I'm going to show you the groups. All the groups, if you see all the groups, the number of classes what we are having is grade 8, 9 and 10 is the active classes, and one default group will be there for sure. Then 6 and 8, we are going with 8, 9, 10 for the senior categories, and 6, 7 we are having for the junior categories. Then coming for the sub admins, where we have all the sub admins. All the teachers are the sub admins here. So the admin can register the sub admins, all the subject teachers, along with their phone number, email IDs. And now coming for the users, you can see all the users, that means the students who have logged in here. So you can have the we are having around 81 students here. So each all the students, if you have to make them active, if they are by mistake joined, then no, don't do any active. So you have to activate them when they join. So this is how the users are there. Then coming for the paper, now I'm going to show you how we are going to make the paper in this Papershala. So first click on to the add question. You will have the options here, like multiple choice, single answer, multiple choice, multiple answers, then short answer, long answer. So we are going for the basic paper now. I'm choosing for the single answer. Then you have the question language on English. Then number of options you can give is default. You are having Hindi language also, so students can read the questions in Hindi and English as well. Then next you have you click on the next. Then here you have to select the main category. So I'm selecting my main category. Then you have to give for this subcategory what which one I gave, or anything you can give. Then you go for the level of the question. Is it simple, hard, too simple, whatever it is, you can just give. Then you can add a question to this. When you are adding a question related to the subject, you can add. So I gave the question here. So if you want, I can increase the size as well. Then if you want, I can add the image here. So chart or table I can add. I can add any lines, whatever I want. And the font, if I want to give the big question, you can give. You can have the all the sort of options you are having, like the Word document itself. Then you can have the options here, so you can give the answers here. Then when you are selecting the right answer, I gave the answer. So you have to click on the select correct option, so that the blue color one which is there will be selecting for the right option. Then you can go for the other questions, other options you can give here. And here you are having another option, like you can also give the explanation for the answer, so that the students can see the explanation after finishing their text. So this is an optional, where if you want to give, you can give. Then you have to click on the submit button. So category, subcategory is important here. Then like this, you have to add the questions, how many questions you want, you can go on adding. Then this is how you can see. Now I'll go with I'll see whether my question is there or not. So this is what loss of water, so my question is there here, so it entered. Now what I have to do is I have to go for the papers. Then I have to add the new paper, so I'm creating a new test. So I'm selecting the paper type, as it is a basic paper type I'm giving, because it can give the automatic result as well. So paper name, whatever you want to give, you can give the paper name. So is it is a biology paper, so I can give like that, or I can give whether it is internal assessment or FASC, whatever it is, you can just give it. You have to give the proper instructions. So as you know, we all give the instructions before the exam, so read questions carefully before answering. Based on the subject, you can give the instructions. So this is how I give. Next one, the mandatory for the virtual exams, that is please maintain a proper internet or data backup to avoid inconvenience. So this is how you can do. And here is in this panel you can see another one, minimum percentage to pass. So you can give the 50% or 36%, whatever you can select here. And default you can select the grade, which class you are giving, so that that particular class students will get this paper. So I default how many marks is each question, so I'm giving 1 mark. And then time duration of the paper, so I'm giving 20 minutes of my exam paper. There is another option, maximum tab switch. This will not allow the students to access other tabs when they are giving. If you are giving only two tabs they can open, so maximum I'm giving it 3. We are using the classrooms to Google, so Google Classroom we have. Then third paper shala, so 3 I'll be selecting there. Now I have to go for the timing. I have to select the timing here. So I have selected the time at 10 o'clock. Then so exactly 10-20 minutes. So if you want to give the grace time, you can give the grace time. No, we don't want to give any extra time, then you have to give the appropriate time, so that the exam will end at particular time. So you have so many options here, like you have to automatically choose the answers, as it is basic paper, manual, select question side from the question bank. Then correct answers after the paper, yes, students can view it. They can also get the email of the result. Then question sequence randomly, shuffling of the questions, and I also opt for the sequence random questions, so I want to go for shuffling of the questions as well. Then you have, so these things they are for the long answers. Proctored exam enable. Then show paper result to candidate, yes. Then upload file, as it is paper we don't need to upload file. Then we have to go for the next. So first you have to fill all these columns, otherwise it is required. See all required option we can see. Then immediately you will get this add question into paper. Then we will add the question into the paper. So here is my questions. So what I have to do is I have to I gave the paper there, then I am adding my questions here. So as I'm adding the number of questions, you can see all the subject. Then you can add it, then come down, then go for the next. So here is how your questions added. You want to check whether questions are added or not. Then first go for the all papers at the side column you have seen. So I gave the biology paper and 5 questions I added. See, it is at the top. This is how I gave. And then I have to activate it. How to activate it? So to activate it, I have few options here. Like I have the pink color here, this is for the to see all the details of the paper. I have the edit option, so that blue color icon is edit option, so that I can add the questions or I can remove the questions. Green color is to activate, so now I activated my paper. So when I activate exactly at 10 o'clock, they can see, the students can see the question paper in the dashboard. Only 10th graders can see it. And this yellow color is to view the result. So as it is an automatic paper, we can look at directly after immediately. So here, this is when they write, you will get all the result here who attended the paper, and down you have another column who did not attend. So when you want, you can check it out and immediately you can call the parents or call the numbers which registered, and then you can intimate that exam is there. So like this you will have the paper, and then you will have the marks, percentage. So as we give for 50 percentage, if they are getting very less, then the result will show as fail, otherwise it will show as pass. So the ranking system, who the marks who are they're getting based on the first priority, who submitted first. If the person who submitted first and the last is having full marks, then the first person comes as the first rank. So here who submitted first, so total score plus the time submission will is the method to give the ranking system. It's okay for the ranking system, this is not main part for the students to finalize, because same number can be given here. Then same score is coming but different ranking will be there. Then how to get your result? You have to go for Excel export or a PDF export, where you will get all the questions. This is how you can use the Papershala for the online examinations. So we are going with this. Iris World School is following this Papershala for the assessment test through virtual class in online classroom mode. Thank you so much.